Hi all, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. In today's video, we will see how we can develop 3 simple habits to improve focus. Before we start, do watch the videos on the channel, like and share the videos and subscribe to my channel. Do you ever experience lethargy? Less energy or no energy to start the day or complete any task? Even if you start with the task, you get distracted and do not complete it? I'm sure we all experience this some or the other time. We all are also aware that to achieve something great in life, focus and concentration is of utmost importance. Let's find out how do we reduce distractions to improve focus and to achieve higher productivity and better efficiency. How many of us start our day by looking at our phone and then eventually wasting early hours of the day looking at the messages on social media apps and then switching from one screen to another? There is no revolutionary method to achieve success and stay motivated. But a few simple daily habits can help you bring in a change that you're looking for. Many a times we do not realize that there are some small changes in daily routine that can help us achieve wonders. The reason could be we ignore these simple habits, assuming they are too simple to bring in the change. Research says that the gap between success and failure is too small and can be nullified by changing some small daily habits. Let's look at 3 simple habits to improve focus. First, manage time efficiently. You need to manage few minutes in the day properly by noting the to-do list, which will help you understand the priority. It is difficult to manage your goals if they are just in your thoughts. The moment you note them down, it is easy to prioritize them and it also gives you a vision to execute them. You could do it early in the morning or before you go to bed. Second, curb the urge to procrastinate. I am tired today. Let me start on a weekend and then let me start working or studying from Monday. Oh, it's just 8 a.m. in the morning. Let me start it at 10 a.m. and then post lunch and some more excuses. Think about the reasons and excuses you give to avoid this task. Remember, the more productive you want to be, the less you procrastinate. Now, how do we overcome procrastination? Break the project into smaller tasks, since it is easier to complete small tasks and execute the whole project. So if you take 120 minutes to complete the chapter or a project, divide it into 4 parts of 30 minutes each, so that you find this doable and are motivated to start and finish the task. You can take a break of 5 minutes after completion of every part. This makes it simpler and getting onto the task is easier. You also overcome the main hurdle of starting a task and there are less distractions in completing it. You can reward yourself if and only if you complete the task. Set small goals which are easier to achieve. For instance, if I have to develop a habit of walking daily, set a goal of walking 3,000 steps daily, which can be done consistently instead of 10,000 steps, which you might find difficult to start with. Gradually reach a level which you are capable of. In all these things, consistency is important. Third, inculcate self-discipline. Believe me, this habit of inculcating self-discipline and control is going to take you way forward. Why not allocate some specific time for using the phone, social media apps, or texting your friends? You could keep a note of your screen time and reduce it by 50%. Gradually cut it down to a smaller time. This simple habit would help you focus. You would realize that staying away from this and other distractions like TV, emails, mobile games would improve your focus and thereby productivity. Our brain craves distractions due to hit of dopamine while we are using social media apps. Researchers have proved that avoiding any kind of distractions will help you focus and improve the attention span. Think about the vacation you spent recently where there was no network connectivity and you were stress free. Were you not able to focus and come up with more ideas and plans? Do one thing at a time. Time yourself and set an alarm to try and complete the task within that time span. I am sure these simple habits would help you achieve the goal that you have set. Finally, let's see what are the 3 C's to improve focus. Control distractions, curb the urge to procrastinate, and cut off from indiscipline. So, control, curb, and cut off is the way to focus. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Techie Minds for more such videos.